know how you guys said you want to go somewhere this weekend, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so I want you to open your bag, and that will tell you where we're going this weekend.
Disneyland! Oh my goodness! Thank you!
We're going to Disney World today.
Today!
We're leaving tonight. We're leaving tonight, and we're gonna go on Sunday to Magic Kingdom. Does that sound fun?
Oh my god!
Turn your shirt around so I can see.
It says our name.
Ellie, open yours. Where's
I
Ellie?
got Mickey. Look.
You got.
It's Minnie.
Let's see Ellie's. Turn it around. Oh, how cute!
Mom, what if we see HGTV there?
There's no telling who you might see.
And guess what? There's YouTubers that live near Disney World that I watch.
Yeah. There's no telling who we're
Can we
gonna
put
see.
these on right now?
We're gonna wear them on Sunday. How about that? We're gonna wear them on Sunday. Ellie, can I see yours?
But still, are we going right now?
We're gonna leave tonight, guys. We're gonna leave for Florida tonight. Can I see?
Are we flying a plane?
No, we're gonna drive. We're gonna do a road trip.
Pretty, you like
I know you don't. Carson's like
I like
planes.
flying planes.
All right, guys. Are y'all excited?
Yes, I'm so excited!
When did John get younger? Oh, hey,
There's John.
out of context.
Hey. There's our nephew Donnie.
Hello.
I can't believe he knows how to drive. That's crazy.
Donnie is almost 25. We're so confuzzled.
They were like, how can you know how to drive this car already? Like he doesn't have his own car. They're all different.
Haven't read the manual for this vehicle yet.
So hey y'all, we are headed to Disney World for the day. We're doing Magic Kingdom. And are y'all excited?
Yes!
Yeah.
If you can't see me, I'm back here.
Yeah. So Kylan, you got your balloon, right?
I'm all the way back.
He should have his balloon.
So Mickey Mouse,
Colin, you got
So
your,
Kyle-
Mickey Mouse Jr. and Con's Mickey Mouse Jr. Jr.
Yeah.
Minnie Mouse Jr. is Carson. And let me.
Minnie Mouse Jr. Oh, show Ellie. Okay.
All right, everyone get ready.
Hi guys.
Wave drunk.
Here's Ellie. She's Minnie Mouse Jr. Jr. She looks so adorable. Look at those cheeks.
Yeah, Minnie Mouse.
Yeah,
that's
we
right.
see it. Hold on. Back it up a little bit. Show us.
Mom and Dad.
Show me it.
We all need
These are Ellie's ears.
Everybody's got their ears tied.
Wow, they look beautiful, just like
We'll
you.
put them on when we get to the park, baby.
Carson, you got them, right?
Yeah.
Hi guys.
All right, y'all, so we're headed to Disney. Since John said I ended that so dry.
Right.
We're headed to Disney, yay! Woo!
Yeah.
Disney.
Disney's out there.
Uh-oh.
Oh, the entrance. Okay, bye.
Okay guys, so see Disney up there? It's kind of hard to see.
Yeah, so my nephew lives literally 5 minutes from Disney, so
Yeah, so we decided to stay with him. We're heading over to Disney, y'all.
And we are now in Disney.
We're in Disney, guys. Hooray!
time to turn around and go home.
Oh,
Mission
come on.
accomplished.
Are you kidding me? We didn't even have to. I really wanted to get on a cool ride.
Oh my god! Wow,
Just, oh my God.
You like it, Ellie?
They have changed your heart. They said forget this.
god.
Hold on, Ellie.
Not worth it. They got free parking now.
Oh this.
Ellie. You're.
Oh this.
Whoa. Oh, I'm savage.
Hey,
Ooh,
be careful with the camera, baby girls.
What you looking at, dude? What you looking at?
Splash Mountain.
Oh, you excited?
40 centimeters tall.
Yeah. Okay, come on. They're up here. There's Mr. Bugsy. His birthday's in 3 days, y'all. You excited? Yeah.
And when it becomes a reality, it's a dream come true for you and me. So there's a
Y'all having fun? There you are.
At the Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car.
Oh, ears in the way.
This is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying.
This is Ellie's first time at Disney. So y'all, we're heading to the castle to get a picture. And then we're heading out because we're exhausted. The birthday boy got his balloon. What did you do, Kylan? Alright guys, we're leaving Disney. Everybody have a great time?
Yeah. And I just
Yeah.
started doing this.
Yeah. Kylan, did you have a great time?
Yes.
Uh oh, just hit the balloon.
Especially with the blue Mickey balloon.
Yeah, that's his balloon. Alright guys.
birthday balloon.
Yeah.
Hooray!
Alright guys, we'll be back next year, alright? Alright, like and subscribe. Join us for the ride, y'all. Ellie, say bye.
And subscribe.
Bye.
Join us for the ride.
Alright, bye y'all.